Good morning. I'm videoing my budgies. Today is my birthday. Total, I have 4 cages. This is a mid-size white cage. This one is a small cage with 4 budgies. This is a larger cage with also 4 budgies. The old antique cage has been replaced by this big cage. And I have the 4th one, still keep the small antique cage of 4 budgies. So total, I have 16 budgies living in 4 separate cages. Now is the morning. I'm in my backyard right now, and they are having their breakfast. I try to have a close-up of them. They are still singing and jumping around, and they are in a happy mood. So this is a new cage, and this also have 4 budgies, and I put some new like the swing and some stem cut from the lemon tree. So wishing everyone have a good day.